Hey guys, welcome to another video of Snuggles for Puggles. And today we're going to be feeding my pregnant kitty, Bella. Bella, come here. No Pug, none for you. When are you going to have those babies, kitty cat? Huh, Bella? When are you going to have those babies? Quit stealing your cat food. There's a rabbit named Donut.
No, it's Dr. Eggman.
Oh, no, it's Donut. Eat these. That one's name is,
Stupid Egghead.
but then what's its real name? Oh yeah, Lily. Lily's the name of that one. Well, that was the little bunnies. We have two of them. Nathan's dog. Little ducky escaped again. Now we're gonna go over to the water to see if we can find a frog or something. Oh, that was a ton of frogs. Just jumped in there. Oh, one swimming over there. They think they're hiding from us. I mean, maybe they are. Where in the world did it go? Oh, I just got stick in my face. Oh, Pug's thirsty. Is that good, Puggles? Okay, they're mowing. Oh, a crawdad. Do you see that? It's a crawdad. I would try. Well, it's right there. The crawdad is down there. Oh, here he is. He's right there. Right down there is a crawdad. Oh, he's got big claws. I would not want to mess with that guy. I mean, I guess I could try to pick him up. But he's a good swimmer though. So. He's still down there. Oh, I'm stirring up the dust. That's why it's getting harder to see. I think the frogs know we changed what we're looking at. Because, well, the crawdad is still over here. Over there. Down there. I don't know if you can see him. But now we have a frog over here. He's really good camouflaged. Right there. He knows we're looking at him. At least I think so. Guys, I just noticed how I was standing here, just looking at this crawdad, that there's a frog right here. Standing right next to my feet. I didn't even see the little guy. Well, I guess since I don't know how to pick up crawdad, I'll just pick up this frog instead. If I have fast enough reflexes to grab him before he runs away. Okay. Let's try this. I'm gonna be fast enough. But, oh! I just had my hand over him and he ran away. Oh, but he's right here. He's closer to my foot. Oh, that's so funny. Okay, I guess I'm gonna try to trap him. Ah! Where'd he go? Hey guys, I'm back. A tiny, whatever that is. Don't even know what that is. A tiny something. Crawdad alert. Found him. Found him. Mr. Puggles. Puggles is just chilling. Puggles. Well guys, so it looks like that's all for this video. No frog catching or crawdad holding. But Pug, we'll see you guys next time. Say bye. It's a big guy, big frog. But dude, if you just let me hold you. Oh wait, I got him. No, I don't. So fast. Come back! I wasn't done with you!